Some teeth actually exploded in people's mouths back in the 1800s, and no one knows exactly why this happened. One theory is that this incredibly rare phenomenon occurred when untreated cavities began to create gas as the tooth decayed. Due to poor dental health, it built up pressure as more gas was released, and after a while, the pressure was so high that the damaged tooth couldn't handle it and allegedly exploded.